Esechegi ma piny mangima hingo dichieng' mar jiwo okenge mag geng'o midhiero mar tho abath kata stroke ma thoro lal ngima oganda. Jopiny ojiw mondo ong'e okenge mowinjore gi kaw aruya ne ng'ato ma stroke ogoyo kaka yore mag geng'o landruok mar tuoni, mana kaka Simpros Okinda leronwa.
Nyasi mar odiochieng' jiwo okenge mag kedo gi tuo mar tho abath ma ong'ere kaka stroke nochakore kod wuoth machiel kachiel kowuok e od thieth maduong' mar Kenyatta National Hospital. Wuoth ma kamano noywayo joma osetony ne tuo stroke, jotuo mapod yudo thieth, lakteche, jolony kod jopuonjre mag thieth e kind joma moko. E higa mar 2012, Edward Kozolo ne japuonj mane ngima kasiling kendo nodhi nyime kod tije kaka pile.
Mimi ni maskini, hapana, siwezi kuguzwa na ugonjwa huo. Then also nikaangalia nikaona mimi ni gali young. Sasa kupatwa na ugonjwa kama huu sikuwa na fikiria, lakini nilijikuta nimeanguka chini. Kuanguka chini, kuamuka niliamushwa kwanza. Ilikuwa Jumapili natoka kanisani. Nikaamushwa. Siwezi kuongea. Lakini nikaenda pole pole. Vile nilifika kwa nyumba, nikakuwa nimegain energy. Nikaanza tena kuongea vizuri.
Katobelino nyalo chopo od thieth samachon, lakteche ne okonyalo fwenyo gima ne chame.
Of course hawako nipa dawa yote and anything. Kufika saa 2 usiku ndio ugonjwa huu nishika, na nikaonekana sasa mdomo umependuka, umeangalia side moja, siwezi kuongea, siwezi kufanya chochote, yani siwezi kusimama.
Thor marwachigani en reso ngima ng'ato mapiyo piyo e gino motisni fast. Kajalony lero ni tuo ni kores chon to kata ng'ol ma ng'ato dong godo bedo matin.
When I got my stroke, I had to be rushed over to Kenyatta, and very, very fast my colleagues acted on me. Although it took away my speech for quite some time, I was unable to talk, but every minute counts.
For F, look at the face of a person. If you find a person has got droop of the face on one side, that could indicate sense of a stroke. A is for arms. If a person is talking there, I'm talking here right now, and you find my arm is drooping down, or if you suspect somebody is having a stroke and tell them to lift up their arms and they are not able to lift them up, then that could be a sign of a stroke. The other sign is S, for speech. So for speech, lots of patients with stroke, it affects their speech centers. And in such a situation, you find a person's speech gets slurred. They have difficulty finding the right words to speak. And they also have trouble with understanding. Then T is for time. Time is of the essence in stroke. Now, if a person is able to get to hospital within the first 4 hours, there are interventions available that can help in reversing the stroke. And those interventions, we have been working very hard towards getting them available even in our hospital. But the problem is actually in terms of awareness and sensitization.
Tok yudo stroke higa mar 2010, Nyambeka noneno mondo chak riwruok mar jomotony e konyo joma yudo kod tuoni. Kata obedo ni sirikal temo, tich pod nitiere e neno ni jotuo oyudo kony.
When I used to go for my rehabilitation in Kenyatta National Hospital, I found out that there are new entrants every week. So I decided we start this thing so that now it helps people because even the cost of drug was high, the other things, everything was actually very high.
1,000 stroke patients achieving a remarkable 78 to 80% success rate. But our commitment goes beyond treatment. It is about education, it's about prevention, it's about partnership, and through collaboration such as the one with the Stroke Association of Kenya, we continue to raise awareness and empower communities to recognize early warning signs and seek medical help.
Ramogi ngero nogo ni geng'o lo thiedho. Oganda kore kwayo mondo duok piny pek mar del, gitimo rako kinde ga kinde e kind weche mamoko e geng'o tuo mar tho abath kata stroke.
Ukunywaji wa pombe kupita kiasi unaweza dhuru afya yako na isababishe stroke. Ule unene wa mwili, what we call the obesity in English, can also it's a very good risk factor for stroke. Uvutaji wa sigara.
Simfros Okinda, Ramogi TV.
Erokamano nyako Ramogi, waka uyueyo mar ariyo kik idhi mabor ka wadu